All right, everyone. Homemade ice cream time! Ho-ho! Bitzer? That button looks wrong. Oink. Wait! That's not normal!
Ice cream sky!
Is this a dream?
Oh no! It's melting!
Oh! Slippery! Very slippery! Oh!
I regret everything!
Best day ever!
W-A-G!
Oh dear, again?
Everyone brace!
Worth it? Yeah.
Yeah, totally. Next time, vanilla only.
And for any truly good party, Shaun knew they needed extra special guests. The pigs, of course.
Oink, oink!
A party, did you say? But first, a crucial training session. How to board a moving bus discreetly.
They could already imagine the thumping beats, the dazzling lights, and their incredible dance moves. Oink! Oink! This is gonna be the best night ever!
The moment of truth arrived. Their long-awaited ride to the big city party. Operation Busboarding was a go. Each one a true master of stealth and precision. Success, or so they thought. Until their eyes finally found the driver. It seems someone had a slightly different route in mind for their destination.
Well, the town party might have been a no-go, but sometimes the biggest fun is just in the adventure and the trying.
Another beautiful day unfolds in the peaceful village.
Here I come! 1, 2, 3, keep going! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, good, very good!
A few moments later.
Morning routine, everything looks normal? Meh. Right, just a quick check here. What is this thing? Ah, just this button. Oh, here we go. Oops, what's happening? Huh? What does that mean?
Wait, why am I moving so fast?
Whee!
Oh my, I barely moved!
Fast forward! Fast forward! Fast forward!
Stop! Stop! This is not safe! What?
Too fast! Too fast!
Speed buffet! No one can stop us! Plan? Run first. Think later. No! 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 Go! Interesting. Enough! Never again.
Lesson learned. No mystery buttons. And no! All right, everyone, bubble test number 1.
This never ends well.
Easy, gentle pressure.
For power, B-I-G-R-R bubbles.
That bubble is, too big. What's that noise?
Bubble! Timmy, don't! Whee!
Timmy! Oh no! What in the world? Best bubble ever! Do it again!
It's floating away! I didn't program that. Careful, Shirley.
Flying sheep. This is officially a problem.
Get down here! As if it listens. We guide it down. Toward the hay. Softly? Yes. That way. Softly? Yes. That way. Boop. Safe landing.
You scared us. We're there.
No more bubbles. Until tomorrow. Everyone laughs. My homemade candy machine is ready.
Are you sure it's safe, Bitzer?
See? Perfectly safe and delicious.
Wow, it works.
Just a small test.
Candy! Candy! Oh my. That candy is huge. Ooh. That's not normal size. Very sticky.
Wow, it's bigger than me. I can't move.
The candy glued you to the floor.
Whee! It's like a slide. Be careful, Timmy. The machine is going crazy. More candy. Help! Hold on, Shirley. I am too sweet to escape.
I must turn it off! The candy is growing. Why won't you stop?
Try another switch.
This candy is as big as a truck!
It's a candy mountain.
Emergency button, T-N-O, ow!
It worked.
I am still stuck, but happy.
Best playground ever! What a sweet disaster!
Next time, smaller candy.
All right, everyone. Morning exercise.
Exercise again?
Race them!
Dog versus sheep.
Winner gets nothing.
Wait. What? A race? No.
Race time! Come on, you two! Sir!
No!
Not me!
Shirley, please move. Let's not win, okay? You go first.
No, you go! No, you go! I insist!
Oops. Timmy! Careful! This is not part of the race.
Hey! I said don't help! That's cheating!
Shoe problem.
Really? Really?
Go! This is amazing! Please stop filming.
You win! You win! You win! No, you win! Wait! I won? You won! Congratulations, I guess. Let's never race again. Again! Uh-oh. Bitzer tried to stop the sheep, but they just swallowed him right up in their woolly whirlwind. The hungry pig followed the sound, sniffing with all his might. But oops, not a treat this time. Meanwhile, Shirley was just having a leisurely walk through the barn. She made sure everyone knew she was there.
Oh my. The farm was a silly, mixed-up mess. The beep was making everyone do the craziest things.
Bah! Look! Shaun knew exactly where the beep was coming from. He tried to tell everyone else. Bitzer saw Shaun pointing and thought, aha! The source of the mystery. Time to catch the culprit. Closer, closer they crept. Their eyes were glued to the window, ready for anything. The beep was so loud now. And the culprit? It was the farmer all along, just taking his yummy cake out of the oven.
Looks like it was just a happy little beep for the farmer's delicious cake. Another silly farm adventure for Shaun and the flock.
Where did this toy come from?
Wow, it looks like a real one. Timmy, don't touch it.
It's moving by itself.
It's becoming huge.
It's a monster car.
That horn is louder than me.
Everyone, stay calm.
We can use it for harvesting.
Great idea, team.
I'm the driver. Beep, beep.
Hands on the wheel, Timmy.
Slow down, I'm shaking.
Careful, Timmy. Perfect cutting angle. This is so cool. Brake!
We're gonna crash!
That was close.
Again! Again! Look at all this food!
Mission accomplished.
Small again!
Magic work is done.
Oh no! Shaun? Why are you? H-U-G? Shaun? What's going on?
Like... am monster hungry.
Big sheep scary.
Don't worry, darling. Bitzer will fix this. That was my breakfast field.
Crunchy. Crunchy, a bit metallic.
Shaun! This is not a buffet!
Wait, this isn't an all-you-can-eat restaurant?
Here, small food for big sheep.
Oops, appetizer only.
If you're hungry, eat Emmy last.
Right, got it.
Woo! I'm deflating! Next time, I'll just eat a I'll just eat a sandwich.
Farm saved!
Lunchtime, normal size only. Breakfast time, my fluffy friends! Easy, boss. That food looks powerful. What do you mean powerful? Just be careful. Bah! I feel funny.
Oops. I think I grew a little. Bah. What happened?
Great wool. They're enormous and expensive. Sir, they're heavier than a tractor. I'm still the boss here. Time for a bigger vehicle. Time for a big vehicle.
Structural failure incoming.
Play chase.
This is not a game. Aye.
Go faster, servant!
Found you. Well, at least you're still my sheep. Next time. Smaller breakfast, sir. Good morning, everyone.
Look at me! Timmy, slow down, dear.
Breakfast time?
Uh-oh.
Timmy. Be careful. Boing!
Well, that worked.
Problem solved.
Thank you, Shirley. Again. Again.
Another peaceful day on the farm.
Whoa! The flour mill is going crazy! Snow! Snow! It's snowing inside!
A giant slide!
Careful, Timmy. That's not snow.
Whee! I can't stop!
Timmy! Brake! Brake!
This is fast!
Shirley is coming! It's a flower train!
Timmy, hold on! I'm coming!
Officer down! Officer sliding! Ah!
Ah! This is like a roller coaster! I can't stop my hooves! Ah!
Turn, turn, turn!
We're gonna crash! Duck!
Ooh, I can't duck! Emergency landing zone!
Brace yourselves!
Soft landing!
Very soft. Yourselves.
Soft landing!
Very soft.
Is everyone okay? Oh, we look like flower monsters. Can we slide again?
Absolutely not.
Maybe? Just one more time? Ah, finally, a calm morning. Ah.
Did I feed the grass or eat it?
Behold, the ultimate farm automation machine. Bah!
Impressive!
Nonsense. The perfect efficiency. That's actually nice.
I didn't order 5 breakfasts. Wait! Stop! S-T-O-P!
Ba-ba-ba.
No! No!
That's the turbo button.
More speed!
I'm full! The Erie full!
Is it still breakfast?
One day off. What could go wrong?
Oh dear.
Where's the dog? It's chasing me!
I can't run that fast. Faster! Best ride ever! I leave one day? Stop this machine! Ba, ba, ba!
Enough.
Maybe manual is better.
Does that mean dinner?
Another peaceful day on the farm.
Where?
So, we do nothing? Or we do everything?
Since when are pigs organized? Huh. Efficient.
Oink.
What? Oh no!
New rules, dog.
No play?
They're smart, but not smarter than us. Right.
Keep calm! They're starting to notice!
Are we fixed?
What's happening?
Perfect control. Move it, Flock! Let's go!
Keep it moving, everyone. Maintain your perfect lines. Report submitted. Another one. Report submitted. There are too many. Stop! Rule says endless. Too much data.
Eek! Oh no, oh no!
We're overwhelmed.
No, no, no!
System overload.
Haha, much better. Okay, sheep win.
All right, team. Meet our brand new sheep herding robot.
Wow. Is it a toy or a real helper?
Be gel, Timmy.
It's scanning sheep. Badar.
Activated. Perfect. It will save us so much time.
Target acquired. Small sheep.
Ba? Small?
Wait. That one is not T-small. Fluffy unit. Shirley looks like a baby lamb.
Warning! Earthquake detected.
That's not an earthquake, that's Shirley walking.
Robot thinks Shirley is little. That's so funny.
Oh dear. Poor robot.
Tiny sheep, please follow the line. Ba!
Stop calling her tiny.
Let me fix the size settings.
Recalculating sheep dimensions.
Correction. Giant fluffy mountain detected. Now it knows.
Apologies, Mega Sheep. That's better manners.
Try greeting politely. Politeness protocol activated. Nice to meet you, Madam Sheep.
He's bowing.
Good job, everyone.
Sheep herding successful.
Best robot ever.
Welcome to the farm, little robot.
Good morning, sheep. Another peaceful day. I want breakfast.
Shaun, don't eat everything. Bah, it tastes funny.
Bah! Why do I feel heavy?
Shaun, you're looking bigger.
Bah! Shaun is H-U-G. This is not in the rule book. Bah! I didn't mean to. Careful, you'll step on the fence.
Huh? Why is the sky fluffy?
Sir, that's Shaun.
Oops, sorry. No sitting! And no sitting! Wait for me!
This is cardio. Ah, refreshing.
That's the entire lake.
If grass made you big, maybe no grass makes you small. Bah, I can try?
No more snacks.
This is the hardest thing I've ever done. It's working. He's shrinking.
Normal Shaun.
That's it. He's back.
Am I normal now? Oh, close enough. Don't sneeze.
What does this button do? Shaun, don't touch anything!
Strangest day ever. Bah. Agreed.
Uh-oh, Timmy.
All right, everyone. Today, we make pizza.
Pizza!
Be gentle with the dough.
Oops.
No jumping. Bowing.
Shirley, get off!
This is very big.
Oh, big!
Too big! Red rain! Careful! Not all the cheese! Cheese! Good!
It won't fit.
I have an idea.
Improvised baking system.
Wow!
Is it burning?
Ah!
Almost ready.
What is this button doing here?
Oh no! Oh! I didn't read the instructions!
A button!
Buttons mean power! Press it again! Stop! We don't know how to turn it on! We don't know how to turn it off! Okay, one button. No label, classic disaster.
Ba?
This is getting out of control! I can't keep up with this! No! Not again! We totally know what we're doing! Almost got it! Yep, it's fixed now! Surely, big power needs big solution. What? Did it work? Finally! Whoa! Wait!
Attention, everyone! I found something strange. Eggs, eggs, eggs. What's inside? What's inside?
Careful, Timmy. Let's open them one by one. Eggs? Whoa!
That scared me.
It's raining colors.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's cute.
Okay, not my favorite.
I'm flying!
Too loud. Best egg ever.
Sharing is the best surprise.
Let's do it again!
Why is the bread moving?
Hello, Bread. Are you alive? Timmy, step back.
This is not normal breakfast behavior.
It has feet.
Bread is not supposed to have feet.
The bread wants us! I don't want to be a sandwich. Stay quiet. It can smell butter.
It's sniffing.
Why does it know where we are?
Stop, bread! You're blocking a monster with your stomach?
Hey, that tickles.
The bread is attacking her!
Bad bread. Good job, Shirley.
It's like a butter slide.
It's coming back! Woo! Everyone, formation B.
Whoa! This bread is super bouncy.
I want to jump too!
Yummy. It's like a food playground.
Fun and tasty at the same
Oh no! Who ordered a slide for giants? Ba?
Ba,
Did anyone see the delivery truck?
ba.
Right, well, I suppose we should inspect it.
Wow! It's like a mountain slide!
Timmy, that slide is bigger than the moon.
This slide is cute! According to science. This is ridiculous!
My legs are doing homework already.
Express elevator service. I suddenly remembered I left the oven on. Safety first.
No screaming. Okay, maybe screaming.
I'm flying like cheese!
This was not in the safety manual.
Well, that was unexpectedly fun. Again!
This kitchen is bigger than the whole farm.
We could get lost in a teacup here.
Bye-bye.
We should help the farmer. Whee!
Spoon slide!
Careful, that's a soup shovel.
Is that food or a mountain? Both, if you're hungry enough.
Incoming vegetable! Big carrot attack!
The farmer is cooking something huge.
This pot is like a volcano.
Bubble mountain!
I'm getting seasick in soup.
Hold the ladle. 1, 2, push. Push. Teamwork. Snowing pepper. Spicy weather. He likes it.
Our tiny cooking worked.
This could feed the whole planet. And me forever.
Kitchen maze turned into soup ocean.
Adventure cooking.
Time for soup.
Mission complete.
Bye-bye, giant soup.
Wow! Shirley is strong. Very strong.
I will get fit too.
Farm fitness, level 1. This looks dangerous. I like it. Too heavy. Whoa, oh. Tiny problem.
Strong.
No, you don't. Don't. Teach me.
Faster!
Slower, dog. Healthy farming. This is spreading. I got this. No, you don't.
Yes, coach. Yes, coach.
Yo, I feel stronger already. Oh, that was fast. Easy, easy. Bitzer. Best workout ever! My farm! I'm okay? You did it. You did it.
Still training tomorrow. Of course you are.
What does this button do?
Shaun, don't touch anything.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wait! That's not the brake! It won't stop! Everybody! G-H-A-S-I-T!
Move your hooves!
Timmy! Slow down!
Whee! Fast tractor!
I almost had it.
Plan B! We need a plan B! That seems unsafe.
It's snowing, hey!
I'm driving! Timmy, get down right now!
I'm stopping this thing!
Be careful.
Why is it going faster?
Gravity!
Together, now! Ready! Mud slows things down. I like that idea.
Stop.
Again! Yeah! And no!
Well, that was exciting. Next. Another quiet day on the farm.
Where are your parents? All right, I'll take care of you. One at a time, please. Time, please.
Sit! No, not roll!
Hey! That's MY thing. Dinner is ready? Is the dog babysitting? Family is family.
We love you!
I didn't plan this, but I'm happy.
Family comes in all shapes.
Perfect. Now I can watch the farm and relax. Relax.
That never ends well, Bitzer.
See? Nothing can go wrong. Hello, big brother. Why is it staring at me? Easy, Timmy. It's just a machine.
Beep weird.
Huh? That's not right.
Get down! That time get the help!
You taught it too much. Hey, it sees us.
R-U-N!
Stop moving! All of you! We're not the ones spinning.
Oops.
It's chasing my feet. Stand still, Timmy.
New toy? Whoa!
No. That's not how security works. It's more active now. It's playing with us. FST!
Finally!
Too soon!
No more smart machines. Smart choice.
Beep! Oh, oui! There, I quit!
Hey, look! I'm a sheep robot!
Timmy, you naughty lamb. What have I told you about running around like that?
All right, everyone. Time to calm down and head to the pen. Move it! To the pen!
I'm just checking the field.
Come along, Timmy. Time to go to bed. I guess it wasn't so bad after all, Bitzer.
You're right, Shirley. Just another day on the farm.
Oh no, not again! Sheep, get back in the pen right now!
Shh, I'm on an adventure. You'll never catch me, Bitzer.
This is no time for games, Timmy.
Timmy, come on. You've had your fun. Bitzer's only trying to help. Let's get back to the barn.
Come on, Shirley. You're blocking the path. Bet you can't jump as high as me.
That's not fair, Timmy.
Can't catch me, Bitzer.
I'm gonna need a little help here. Not now.
I'm hungry, Bitzer. Can't do anything on an empty stomach.
That's enough excitement for one day.
Thanks for chasing me. I'll be good now.
I'm sure you will, Timmy.
The farm was waking up. A brand new day was dawning. But someone had other plans for this beautiful morning. Psst! Follow me, everyone! Shaun and the sheep loved their early morning adventures. The fresh air was so delightful.
Fresh air.
But Pig was awake too. And he was getting a very mischievous idea. Oh dear, Pig had a grand plan for some morning fun.
What's that rumbling?
Ba, ba, boo! Pig thought it was hilarious.
Everyone, stick together.
No, not that way.
B-A-A. B-A-A-A-A-A-H.
Oh dear. The poor sheep were truly scared.
Pig's prank had caused quite the mess. The farm was in utter disarray.
Snort, snort, snort.
Woof, woof. Arf, arf.
Oh, I think Bitzer means Pig was just being silly. Pig finally understood he'd scared his friends a bit too much.
Oink! 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 Bah!
Oink! 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 Yes!
And just like that, the farm was filled with fun again.